Hello, namaste. Today we are making snake gourd curry. It's also called viper gourd that was grown in our garden. These are seeds that we have to sow in the soil. We have extracted it from snake gourd bought from the market, and I sowed in our garden soil, and they came like this. Then I separated it to grow as climbers, and it has grown this much big. The flowers are like snowflakes, you can see, and now it is ready to give snake guards. Now, as you can see, you have to tie suitable weights to their tails so that they will be grown and drawn to due to the friction of the earth. So we took one of the snake gourd from our garden, which I made my child to grow. Initiate the interest of gardening in children while they were free, and let them give water to the plants. Let them know which plant is what, how they grow. It will be a good education which is necessary for every child. Like this we have to grow snake gourds. We have to let the climber go to a certain height, as due to its heavy weight it broken in my hands itself while I am trying to cut it. Perfectly grown. See how healthy it is. The one that I took in my hands is very healthy. You can see. This one is still, it can grow. I have to tie a weight to this. Now our recipe looks like this. See, it's taller than my son's height. Now he is very happy to grow it. You can see in his face. Let us weigh it. It is nearly 1/3 case. Now we'll break and see. He'll break it and we'll see again exactly what it weighs. This is an excellent vegetable which was given by nature to us. It has so many nutritional values which you have to eat. So many of us don't like snake guards to be cooked in their homes. They feel it difficult to eat, but it's not like that. It's very awesome vegetable which takes very less time to be cooked, and we can make so many varieties out of it. I'll show you one today in our today's recipe without using pesticides and all. No worry of from where it came. Such a healthy snake gourd. You also try in your homes. Home gardening. These days it benefits. Now these are the benefits of snake gourd I gave in the middle of this video. Now cut into 1-inch pieces like this. Empty the seeds and store them for next season to sow or grow snake gourds. And now these are sesame seeds. Half kernel coconut. I have already cut them into pieces. Exactly half kernel. And now pickled or canned beets, which I have shown in my previous video, I am using now. You can use raw beetroot also, but that color will dominate your curry. Curry will be seen in light pink color. Now we are using pickled beetroot. It has already a special taste as we canned it with lemon, black pepper, green chili, flour. With everything it is ready to intake directly. That we are using it now to make the main paste of this curry. So let me take out from the jar. Snake gourd or viper gourd, Chichinda in Bengal, have so many nutritious values in it. Don't skip to use it in your homes. Try it. It definitely benefits. I have given nutritional values also. Its benefits also in the middle of the video. Please do refer them. Try this recipe. This recipe you can never can find this recipe anywhere. This is my own recipe which tastes very good. So please try. Share this video to your friends, relatives, everyone. Ask them to subscribe to get notified for interesting videos like this. Sesame seeds we have to roast till we can see them popping in the pan. When they get perfectly roasted, they start popping in the pan. That is the sign they got roasted. Don't over roast them. After roasting them, take them to the same bowl and leave them to cool down so that we can make a fine paste. Till we observe that they are popping, we have to roast them. Take them into the same bowl to calm down. Then we'll make a paste out of coconut, canned beets and roasted sesames. I am taking 1 tomato and few green chilies. You can take 2 or 3 tomatoes and more green chilies. Why? Because the spicy taste in this will be through green chilies and black pepper only. So you can add more green chilies. I added as per our taste. And 1 tomato, not you can take 3 or 2 tomatoes also to make the puree. That is according to your taste. It anyway don't spoil the taste of the curry, so you need not worry, you need not measure. You can take more tomatoes and more green chilies, but not less. This is the minimum quantity we have to take. I prefer closed cooking, so have kept closed for tomatoes and green chilies to be sorted. Now I'll take them into another bowl to make a fine paste. Now 2 pastes we are making in this recipe. One main paste is coconut, beetroots and sesame seeds, and another side paste is tomato and green chilies. Now sesame seeds when calmed down, got cool. Now paste, then take coconut. In this line only you take the 3 ingredients. If you club the 3 ingredients and keep in mixie means, if it all blender, well and good. If not, they won't get a nice paste. Please don't use water to make them paste. If not possible, only 1 spoon of water you use. Please don't keep more water. Don't use water if possible. You can cut the beetroots into small pieces so they will be easily grounded. If at all it is a blender, without water only you can make a fine paste. But don't use water to make it a paste. Now I am keeping 1 spoon of oil only. You can take more oil if you want. As per my uses, I am taking only 1 spoon of groundnut oil. Groundnut oil is won't evaporate fast. So with less oil only we can cook. If you want, you can take more. We are stuffing with our main stuff. Snake gut pieces. While we are doing that, you should not keep in the middle part first. Why? Because there the heat will be directly absorbed and the middle piece will be overcooked. Till you arrange. Why I smudge oil around the pan while keeping the oil into the pan? If you observe, I smudged it around its walls so that I know that we have to arrange this pieces, stuffed pieces. So I smudged oil in the pan, in and around the pan. So I am arranging all the snake gut stuffings and we'll close the lid for them to cook for 10 minutes. See, such a nice view. You can see such a nice colors. Not only for seeing, it tastes very good. Please don't miss it. Try at your homes and share it with your friends, relatives and all. We'll add curry leaves for flavor them. No coriander is used in this recipe. No need. It won't benefit this curry. So curry leaves only more you have to use. Now I'll place them and I'll close the lid again. Now closed cooking gas save, time save, and the nutritious will be preserved. This pickles only, beetroot pickles, I have shown in my previous video. I'll give link in the description. Please follow if you haven't seen and subscribe to get notified. These canned beets only I used in this curry. If canned beets are not there, or one day after canning, you can directly use beets. If you are not interested, you can directly use fresh beetroot pieces. No problem. But these are actually spiced. So those who don't like to take beetroot directly can feel interested and tasty. Now our recipe finally looks like this. And these are the health benefits we get from the snake gourd, as I mentioned in this video. It has every nutritional value, magnesium, potassium. Now to flour it with curry leaves we added now. I'll close the lid. Tomato and green chili paste. You can use water for this paste, no problem. As I said, you can use more choice of tomatoes and green chilies. No problem, it won't alter the taste of the recipe. I am taking only one, but you can take 2 or 3 tomatoes and more green chilies, or you can alter here and there that paste, no problem. It won't change the flavor of the curry. This is the remaining main paste that we made with beetroot, coconut and what I call sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds. Finally I am adding with this to thick the gravy. As it is left, I am adding now. If everything is went into your stuffing, then no need to add. Just add tomato and green chili paste. But I took 1 tomato only. I am adding this extra paste also. Here I highlighted the snake gourd only as a main ingredient and others as flavorants to this. Why? Because to enhance the flavor of snake gourd, as it was not liked by so many people, I am giving this variety so that other ingredients will bring interest in them to eat snake gourd. And I'll challenge that this is the most different recipe that you can find anywhere. So please share with your friends, relatives and all. Now keep salt, add salt according to your flavor, and black pepper powder also. Only green chili paste we did, and black pepper only bring the spiciness in this. No other spices we'll use. This is a soft subtle curry, gravy curry, or you can directly intake it. You no need to treat it as a curry actually. This recipe you can directly intake, or you can prefer with rotis. I took only 1 spoon of oil till now, and I'll add 1 more spoon upon this. That means totally 2 spoons of groundnut oil I am using. You can use more oil. It will bring more taste. No problem. You can use more oil. You feel that if we add more oil it will be tasty. You can add more oil. I am adding according to my taste. Now this is black pepper, green chili, tomato paste is your choice. No problem. In any way it won't alter the taste of the curry. So add according to your wish. Salt, black pepper, oil, tomato, green chilies, all this according to you, to your taste. You increase the quantities. I am showing the minimum quantities. More you can add if you want. See, now bubbles are up. 5 more minutes, not more than that. I usually keep this weight, if you observe in my other recipes also. Why? Because it won't let steam go out. Steam is saved in so our cooking time, gas, and the vegetable is also will be cooked very well. With less oil we can cook in this way. You use more oil also. If you keep weight like this, what happens means it won't let steam to go out. And I am using a thin bottomed pan for cooking, and our flame is in medium flame cooking, and we are using closed type cooking. So all these benefits. See, now 1 more spoon I am adding, as I said. So I am totally using only 2 spoons. You can use more oil. If you want, you prefer, you use more oil. I have shown you minimum quantities that we have to use for this recipe. You can use more tomatoes, more green chilies, more black pepper, more oil. But the main paste is there, no, beets, coconuts and sesame seeds. That paste without water you have to make very thick paste. That you can't alter that. And other all things you can alter. Now our curry is ready. Let me show you. Snake gut takes actually very less time to cook. So very easy to flavor it also. Please try this curry. Subscribe, like and share to your friends and relatives. If you subscribe, you will be notified in time for more interesting recipes or the previous videos we have already made. Now this is how it looks. You can take directly. As I said, I am mentioning all the nutritious values of snake gut or viper gut in my video. Please do see, read and know